Today we'll be showing you how to create a simple contract entry. To start, go to goldstandardautomotive.com, go to our menu bar, for dealerships, dealer portal login. Once you're to this screen, you'll put in your credentials with your user ID being your email and the password that you've created. Click login. Once you come to this screen, it'll be your quote screen where you'll enter your VIN to start, your odometer, and then to generate your products, you'll click on pre-owned or new. Down in the product section, we're going to focus on the VSC under MNT. To do so, you'll click on the blue magnifying glass box to view the rates. Any contract that is available for this vehicle will now show up under here. Another option is to also click on the word retail. That will descend your pricing by levels of coverage for your best coverage options. We will be looking for the gold 3650,000. Click on the bubble, click on options. This is where you'll select any additional options that you wish to offer, such as engine transmission for life or highline maintenance, for example. Click OK. You'll notice that your field fills out, adding the pricing as well as the options to it. Click select. You'll see all the boxes filled out for you. If you wish to add any other options, you can click on options by adding additional options that you wish. We're going to add zero deductible. Click OK. You'll notice your pricing's changed. You will also add your F&I markup at this time. We're going to add $500. To check your pricing and your final retail, you'll click on the caret next to the options here. This will give you your base cost with your surcharges as well as your F&I markup to make sure that you have the correct retail for your customer. Click OK. Now if you're ready, now we'll go up to the customer box at the top. You'll start by filling out all the information requested. Once the customer's information is filled out, you'll come down to the vehicle section now where you'll enter the vehicle purchase price, the vehicle purchase date. This needs to be within 3 days of the bill of sale. Your stock number is optional. And you'll also notice that the attributes have filled out here. At times you will be requested to fill the trim as asked. If there's a loan or a lease, you'll add that right here. MSRP and NADA are not required. Your APR, your monthly payment, and your first payment date will be requested. Balloon amount, residual amount, or account number are only needed if asked. Your lien holder, once you start typing, it'll usually populate. In this case, we'll use America First Credit Union. Double check your address, your city, as well as the other information to make sure they are correct. Once all of that information has been filled out, from the customer to the vehicle, loan and lease, lien holder, and of course the product that you've selected, you will come over to the Submit button to select the contract. Once you click on Submit, it automatically generates your contract. This is where the customer will sign as well as you. They will receive a full copy as well as one will go to your dealer jacket. And that is how you create a simple contract.